Hey everyone, this is Angie at StampingWithAmore. Welcome to my channel. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe and hit the bell for notifications each time I upload a new video. So I know this is card day, but we only have a few days till Christmas. So I thought I'd share a couple last minute treat holders, or this one is just a hot cocoa gift bag, and this would be great to stick in a stocking or just to give to a neighbor or a friend. And I put two in here because I thought this would be adorable for one of our neighbors. And so this is what I made. So I just made the topper for it. These little bags are bags that Stampin' Up! Carries. They are 3x9 printed gusseted bags. So they're these right here. We are going to cut it a little bit shorter, but yeah, that's what I'm using. The next one I'm going to use is some chai latte, and I love this chai latte, so I'm gonna make one with chai latte. And so you can make whatever you want in here. You can put coffee in here. I love the candy canes in here, even with the chai latte. I don't know if you've ever had it with a candy cane. It's so good to add that little bit of mint in it. But I am using the Warm Hugs stamp set. And we do have to fussy cut, so I'm using this one, and I'm using this for the So Very Merry, and then I'm using the press on for the cup right here. And you can use this little cup too, it's so cute. And then the sentiment comes from here. It says, "You're the marshmallows to my cocoa," and I thought that was so cute. So this is what I'm sharing today. It's very quick and easy, and you can get these out really quick. You can get the candy canes. I got these at a store called Big Lots that's by me. They came in a big jar, but you can find these stick ones anywhere. You can even stick the regular candy canes in there. And then the cocoa are little, these are some dehydrated cocoa that I just put in a pouch that Stampin' Up! Used to carry these little pouches. I think they're 2x9, something like that. They're really long and skinny, but these are food safe, so I just put my dehydrated marshmallows in there, and I use these for my hot cocoa bombs. So I just packaged it up in there and stuck it in the inside. And we have some elderly people in our neighborhood, and I thought it would be just cute to stick with their package this year. So this is what I'm sharing. So you are going to need the cellophane bag, and I love this printed one, but you can use any 3x9 that you have, or even shorter, as long as it's around 3 inches. I think you'll be fine. And then you are going to need a piece. I'm using Real Red for this, and this piece is 3.5 by 3.5, and then you're going to need a piece that's 3x3, and that's what we're going to stamp on. You need two. Or a big piece to stamp both of your little mugs on. And then this piece is a 1/4 inch piece, and I'm going to stamp the sentiment on this piece right here. And then of course you'll need some hot cocoa. You can even use the packaged hot cocoa in here, but I love the Keurig, so that's what I'm using for that. Alright, so the first thing that we're going to do on this is we are going to go ahead and score these pieces. Super easy because we're just scoring them in half. So this one's 3.5, so you're going to do it at 1 3/4. And then this one's 3x3, so you're going to do it at 1.5. All right, let's go ahead and stamp our sentiment and everything, because we have to stamp that other piece. So let's just go ahead and stamp our mugs here, and then we can go ahead and also stamp our sentiment while we're at it. So I am using this mug. I am just going to, I'm going to stamp that over because I didn't stamp that very well. So I'm going to grab another piece right here. I don't know, can I fit it here? Oh yeah, I can fit it right there. Okay, so we have two right there. This one, one of them I'm stamping So Very Merry. And then the other one, I am stamping a heart. So that is our stamping there. Oh, we're going to stamp our sentiment. So let me grab the sentiment, and I hope I can line it up on here, because actually I stamped this piece and then I went ahead and I'm going to do it right in the middle so I can get it. See, nope, didn't get that straight. I knew this was going to happen because I thought, well, you know, I'll just try to stamp on this piece. So little though. See how this one comes out. There you go. We'll use that one. Alright, so it was easier for me to use a bigger piece and then I cut it, but then I had this piece, so I thought, well, I'm going to just use that instead of cutting another piece. Alright, so that is it. We are going to use our dark granny apple green and the light, and then we're going to use the light and dark real red for this, and we're just going to color, I mean, just do it how you like. I'm going to use the real red on the center. I'm going to do them the opposite just to give it a little bit more interest. So this is super easy coloring. I'm not doing anything fancy on these. And because you're using Memento, it's really easy to go over the whole heart there. So then we're going to just do the top one of this, the real red, and this is the dark. I don't even think you're going to need the light on this, because I didn't shade it, I don't think, at all. You can just go ahead and do another layer and make it look a little bit more shaded. Okay, so I have those all colored in. I'm going to fussy cut these, and I'll just go ahead and speed it up again so you don't have to watch, but it's super quick and easy fussy cutting. They're all straight lines. Okay, so both are cut out. I think I need to just trim the bottom here. It's just a little bit too. But these are super, super quick and easy. You can use colored pencils. You can use whatever coloring that you like to use on those. All right, so on this one, we are going to stamp, and we are going to use some garden green, and we're going to use these little dots here. These are from the same stamp set. They're from the Warm Hugs. It's these little dots right here. And you don't have to be real particular with this, because we are going, I just wanted a background on it, and we are going to go place things over the top of it. So you don't have to worry about it being perfect. So I'm just doing a couple rows here. You can make this so quick and easy. These are real easy to line up too. All right, so that is it. That's just our little background. You don't even have to put it on. I just thought it was really cute to have a little bit of contrast. All right, so this is where we are going to put in our little, this time I'm using the chai latte. By the way, whipped cream and marshmallows on this is so good. And then I'm going to put my little marshmallows in here. And then a couple of these peppermints. And I am going to cut the top part off. And I'm cutting about, I don't know, I'll tell you here in just a second. Oh, it's about 1.25 inches. And then I am not going to staple these. I know a lot of people will staple them. I'm just going to use my Stampin' Seal Plus because it held that together really well, but I do want to put it on the sides and on the bottom of both of these, and then on this side. just to make sure it's going to stay. And then we're going to line that up in the center. I'm going to place that down. And we're going to add it to this. Just put your design on the front. And then we're going to use some on here. I'm going to use wet glue for this because this is so narrow. That's why I left this little space on the bottom for this little sentiment. It's so cute. You have to have a sentiment on this. It's just so cute. You can wrap ribbon around here, but I wanted to try to make it as easy as possible because we are so close to Christmas. These last minute things need to be quick and easy. I'm going to grab some dimensionals here. I'll put a couple on the back here. And a couple on the back of this one. We don't need that, so we need to move that all out of the way. And we're going to place that one down here. I am kind of putting them at a little angle like that, so they just kind of crisscross each other, and that's it. Look how quick and easy, and isn't it cute? I think it's just so quick and easy and just so fun. These will be really cute to put in a gift basket as well. All right, everyone, I hope you enjoyed it. Sorry there wasn't a card today, but I thought y'all might need some stocking stuffers and last-minute treat holders, so that's what I'm sharing. See you later, everyone. Have a blessed one. Bye.